The Quran, given to Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, guides Muslims. It's a holy book, believed to be God's words. Muslims read the Quran often, alone and together. Reciting the Quran beautifully is called tilawat. It's a special skill that needs practice, dedication, and knowing Arabic well. Tilawat isn't just reading, it's sharing God's message clearly and with feeling. Reciters, called qaris, train for years. They learn tajweed, the rules for pronunciation, tone, and pauses. This makes sure every verse sounds correct and beautiful. Tilawat is captivating because it's musical. Arabic, with its many sounds, is perfect for rhythmic reading. Qaris use maqams, like musical scales, to make it more emotional. These maqams bring out feelings from joy and hope to thoughtfulness and wonder. The rhythm of tilawat is also important. It follows how Arabic flows naturally. The pauses, long sounds, and speed changes create a beautiful effect. This rhythm helps people understand the Quran's message. It also helps with memorizing, which is very important in Islam. For Muslims, listening to tilawat is deeply spiritual. It connects them to their faith and to God. The beautiful recitation calms the heart and mind. It brings peace, comfort, and tranquility. Many Muslims find that listening to tilawat helps them understand the Quran better. The Qari's emotional reading makes the verses come alive. Stories of prophets, lessons, and moral teachings feel more real. This can lead to thinking about yourself, growing spiritually, and feeling closer to God. Reciting the Quran is very important in Muslim communities everywhere. It's a big part of religious gatherings, especially during Ramadan. Mosques invite famous qaris, and their recitations are heard around the world. This shared experience brings Muslims together. The tradition of tilawat has been passed down for many years. Kids are encouraged to learn from a young age. They start by memorizing small verses and then learn longer chapters. This keeps this beautiful art form alive. Reciting the Quran continues to inspire and uplift millions of people worldwide.